Thompson's Bay, nestled along the coast, is renowned for its picturesque beauty and the serene ambience. Part of the larger Ballito area, it's easily accessible from major cities in the region, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. The bay is famed for its stunning sandy beaches, clear waters, and the sheltered cove known as the Hole in the Wall, which provides natural protection from the strong ocean currents, making it an ideal spot for swimming and snorkeling. Charlie's Pool, an ocean-fed rock pool, is a highlight of Thompson's Bay, named after a local who contributed to the maintenance and preservation of this natural feature. It offers a safe and unique swimming experience. The area around Thompson's Bay is rich in biodiversity, including a variety of marine life. Dolphins are frequently spotted off the coast, and during certain times of the year, migrating whales can be seen in the distance. Apart from swimming and sunbathing, Thompson's Bay and its surroundings offer numerous recreational activities. The rock formations and tidal pools around Charlie's Pool are great for exploring, and the coastal trails provide scenic routes for hiking and jogging. Thompson's Bay, with its breathtaking sunrise and sunset views, along with the picturesque Charlie's Pool, provides ample opportunities for photography enthusiasts to capture the stunning landscape and vibrant marine life.